Hello and welcome to this video in which we will look at the tab limit feature in GoGuardian. I am Kyle Krenz, a technology integrationist with SWWC. GoGuardian is a platform that allows teachers to monitor and direct their students to educational websites while on their student devices. In GoGuardian, as part of setting up a scene which restricts or allows access to websites for students on their devices during an active session, has the additional feature of limiting the number of active open tabs they can have in their browser. The first step to select this feature is to open up your GoGuardian account on your device. To access this feature, you will need to click the Scenes tab from the left side menu. From there, you can either create a new scene or edit a previously created scene. For the purpose of this video, we will edit a previously created scene. Once the scene creation page is back open, you can scroll down under the list of websites. You will see a tab limit for students box. Here you can click to open the drop-down menu and select the number of tabs you want as the top limit amount a student can have open when the scene is active in a session. This feature can help students stay focused on educational sites and not open other sites, as they will not have the option to open more sites. Once this is set, just apply the scene to the session and the tab limit will function on the student device browsers. In this video, you have learned how to implement the tab limit feature in GoGuardian. You can find other helpful tutorial videos like this one by visiting and subscribing to our YouTube channel, SWWC Technology Integration Team. Thank you for your time and attention.